Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make an image, the background in Google Docs. So if you guys didn't know, now we can add an image as our background in Google Docs, and I'm going to show you how you can do that. So first, you need to go to insert, and then here go to watermark. And here the watermark, you can use image or text, but for now I'm going to just choose image. And then here you can just click on select image. You can either upload the image on your own, or you can also use camera to take a picture instantly, or you can also add by URL. You can go to Google Photos, your Google Drive, or Google Image Search. You can search image from Google. And for now on, I'm going to just upload it from my computer. Just click on browse and then find the pictures that you want to add. For example, I want to add this pictures right here. Just click on open and then wait. Okay, now you'll see the image will be appear like this. So if you want to adjust the setting of the image, you can just go to here. You can adjust the scale, so the auto setting is like 100%, but if you want to like cover the whole page, you can just either go to 150 or maybe go bigger like to hundreds like this. Okay, so this is cover the whole page. I'm going to just go to this, and you can also choose whether you want to the image to be faded or not, like this. I'm going to just choose faded. No, I'm going to not choose faded because I want you to see the image clearly. So you can choose whether you want to add faded or not the image, and you can also click on more image options to see the other option. You can also adjust the size and rotation, the position, and recolor. You can also edit your image here, the color grading of your image. You can also adjust the transparency like the faded one before, and you can also adjust the brightness, the contrast like this. And then after that, if you're done, just click on close and then click on done. Okay, now you see the image is now the background of my Google Docs file. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there. And also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it from me today. See you guys next time.